stepped out of the car and I found a rock that looks like a heart. Hi, bud. What do you see? Welcome to this episode of Mommy Sea Star. Today we're going to the Dimas Wildlife Reserve. Is that what it's called? We're going to see some wild animals that are being rehabilitated and then return to the wild. Put the rock down. John Paul. He's gonna clean it up. See the barn owl. Oh. I can't see it very well. He's sleepy. 'Cause it's daytime. Oh, he's looking at you though. Hey, Bobo. Bobo's like, oh, just let me sleep. What a neat place this is. You're helping the animals. Here, this is the fastest animal on earth. You see it? He's kind of chill too. He's not nocturnal, but he's kind of chill. The fastest animal on earth, right there. There's a nice little nature center. Whoa! Oh, look at that! That's right! It's a real vulture.
Whoa, the snake! Whoa, the snake!
That's a turkey vulture. You hardly ever get to see him this close. Look at his bald head. So they're up here. Look at how many different ones. They're beautiful. I'm gonna give them this hedgehog.
I don't believe it.
You don't believe in it? That's so nice. I think what you do is you add one. We added this one. And then take one from here and paint it and bring it back. tortoises. Oh wait, oh John Paul, look, he's gonna have some breakfast. Look. I wanna watch him eat breakfast. Yeah? I love tortoises. After the tortoise eats his breakfast. Not the whole thing, that's gonna take forever. I saw a live one last time. Oh. Underground, yeah.
I have something to show you.
Okay. He's still eating his breakfast. Big gopher snake. A woodpecker. Very cool. Oh, what is it? Let's see. Ooh, millipedes, western toad, and Monterey salamander. Stuff that's under a wall. Oh, that's a big snake, man.
It's a flying snake.
He's eating his healthy food. Look at him just sticking his face out. Whoa, it's a bobcat up there. Oh, that's not a bobcat. What am I saying? I'm just copying it. That's a mountain lion. This place is so nice. I'm going to leave them the hard rock too. I hope that they help a lot of animals. Oh, look, she's taking it. She's holding him. She says he weighs about 5 pounds. That was cool, huh, bud? I love this place. It's beautiful. All right. Ooh, it's a magical little place.
Why think this is not the way? Oh, we gotta go that way.
Oh, look. This is
Come on, Mommy.
this is like from the Native Americans. They would take a stone and they'd grind the grain in here over and over. It's beautiful. Okay, I'm coming. John Paul is a lot faster than Mommy today. California sea lion.
Can we do it?
That was a pretty cool trip.
Can we do it? I want to see it. I want to see it.
All right.